In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to complete your sticker album in Monopoly Go using the Pink Vault. First things first, let's dive into the Monopoly Go mobile app. Grab your smartphone or tablet, open the app, and make sure you're all set and logged into your account. Once you're in, your next move is to navigate to your profile. This is your personal hub within the game where all your information is stored. You'll find the profile button usually at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it and you'll be directed to your profile page. Now, on your profile, you'll see different options and sections, but for today, we're interested in the stickers. Find and tap on the stickers section. This is where the magic starts. Here, you'll see all the different sticker collections you're working on. Spot the launch day section. This is crucial for completing our sticker album. Now, what you want to do is click on launch day. Next, once you've entered the launch day section, look for a sticker. Click on this sticker, which will bring us to the part where we can access the vault. It's pretty exciting to be this close to completing the set. So let's continue by clicking on the vault icon. Inside the vault, you'll find options to choose different rewards. This is key to obtaining the stickers you're missing. For this walkthrough, we'll go ahead and choose the 1000 option. Click on it. This specific choice gives you a good chance of getting rare stickers that help fill up your album quickly. Once you've selected 1000, hit exchange to make the trade. After you've done this, you'll be prompted to click on collect. Doing so will gather your rewards and bring stickers into your collection. But hold on, we're not done quite yet. After receiving your rewards, make sure you click collect once more to fully secure them. When that's complete, click on continue to proceed with your album completion process. Following this, you'll need to click on the sticker once more and then on continue again. Trust me, we're almost there. Give this a few seconds to load and soon enough you'll see congratulations on your screen because you've just won a Cha-Ching sticker. Exciting, right? This indicates that your sticker album has now reached a significant milestone. Finally, as a last step, click collect again to finish the process. And there you have it. Your set is completed and you should see a congratulatory message for completing the album. It's always satisfying to complete a collection and you've just done it with the help of the Pink Vault in Monopoly Go. Thanks for following along and happy gaming!